Okay, hello everyone. Today we are sharing our Nepali spicy hot chili oil. Okay, so the pan is already heated. So we're just going to pour 1 cup of canola oil. So it's canola oil. You can use any oil you want, but 1 cup, that's about 16 teaspoons. And once the oil is heated, we're going to pour fenugreek seeds. Okay. Fenugreek seeds is also about 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seed. 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon. Okay. The fenugreek is sizzling, and it's really hot right now, and we're just going to turn off the heat, completely turn off the heat. And once it's turned sort of black, and we're gonna pour 3 tablespoons of garlic. So we're just waiting for the garlic. 3 tablespoons garlic is finely chopped, and then we're gonna pour 3 tablespoons of ginger, finely chopped. Okay, so first one is ginger, garlic. Okay, garlic is, I can hear the sound there sizzling. It's looking really good. And the other one is ginger. I hope you can hear the sound, and it smells really good right now. Okay, so everything is already off, and at this point what we're going to do is we have 3 tablespoons of crushed red pepper. As you can see here, we're going to pour it, where you're going to pour all the hot chili oil, and about half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Okay, so we're just going to pour it, as you can see here. Hope you can see it. Here we go. Alright, it smells really good. Okay, so you can use this, and once it's cooled down, we're just going to use a little bit of add a little bit of sesame oil. Pour a little bit of sesame oil. That's enough. And so this one you can use it on just about any food. So we're going to use it on we have noodles with shrimp noodle, so we're just going to pour a little bit on top of it. Okay, yeah, that should be good. Alright, so this should taste really good, so you may want to try it, and hope you like our video and give us thumbs up. Right now we have about 400 subscribers. We want to try to go up to 1,000 in a few months, so you can give us thumbs up. And thank you again for watching this video and giving us thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.